Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Dominoes 7 here, this early in the morning. Next day after Hurricane Zeta, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so let's take a look around. Uh, yeah, they had a lot of debris. Y'all see that branch over there? It blew across there, and down there with them branches over there, they had a lot of it in the street, but some people moved the branches out the way down there, you know. But down here, we don't know. It's kind of cold out here this morning, you know. Yep. So anyway, we have a cold front end of October and stuff like that. Well, I'm very satisfied so far that that it didn't flood, you know, that it didn't flood. Period, you know. Thank God the levees didn't break. Look like they have down branches over there. Look. Oh. Well, look like they have down branches over there. To my knowledge, I don't know. I don't know. So anyway, I'm a tour the neighborhood later. Okay, so all right. So we got some power. Thank you, Jesus. Let's go downstairs. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna get this out the way soon. Okay, I'm gonna get this out the way, cause you know, by that water leak and it went way to the front of the living room on my stage. All right, let's go outside. Open this door hard and stuff like that. Ooh, it's cold. Yep, it's very cold out here, you know. Okay, so here we go. All right, let's tour around. This door must was blew open, as far as I know. What the hell truck is this? Well, I don't care who truck that is until I figure it out. All right, it's clear down here and it's clear down around here somewhere. You know. All right. Well. So as I walk around here and it's daylight, okay. Early morning vlog after Hurricane Zeta, okay. All right. So as I walk around in my pajamas and stuff like that, I'm supposed to be showering and doing a vlog on my computer and upload it to YouTube or whatever. All right. So, as a matter of fact, let me turn back around. Well, look at this area. It's good back here though. Okay. Let me go back inside though. You know. Change my clothes, get in the tub, wash off and stuff like that. So, letting y'all know that Domino 7 is doing good too. You know. Yeah. So, what's this? I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is. A leaf? Yeah, it was a leaf. Another leaf, yeah. Oh well, let me show y'all. Look around. All right, over here, over there, everywhere. You see? Done some damages, you know. I be damn. Ain't that something, Woody? All right, so looking around here, I don't know who that truck for, and all that. Screw that. I don't care. That ain't. The birds is out too. Some people would be like, it's about time it's cold out. Well, who cares? Oh well. I'm about to go inside, do my thing, change my clothes, do my laundry and stuff like that. take a shower. All right. See you later.